Hi, I'm Toby from Blustream. This year we're at Integrate Sydney 2018. Our main focus of the show is to show off 18 gig distribution technology. We have a brand new range of precision HDMI cables ranging from 0.5 of a metre all the way up to 100 metres, allowing you to distribute full 4K, 444 60Hz 18 gig HDMI. We are also demonstrating our recently released CSC HDBaseT technology, which also allow 4K 60Hz 444 distribution over HDBaseT. So we've got two extender kits, we've got a brand new matrix, a 4x4 matrix, and we also have our brand new range of custom Pro cards, which include lots of different variations of 70 meters, 100 meters, and HDMI 18 gig cards on there. If you want further information, please visit our website www.blustream.com.au. Thank you.